అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను బిందుని. అందరూ బాగానే ఉన్నారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను.
Today, we are going to learn about industries in India. What is an industry? The industry is a place where raw materials are converted into useful and necessary products. So, for converting raw materials into a useful process, we need to identify what are the raw materials and how the raw materials are identified and carried to the industry, for which we need a means of transport. After the raw materials reach the destination, we need machinery. Then the skilled and unskilled people work to gain the output and reach the market. Learning outcomes. Necessities for setting up industries. Industrial location. Agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries. Automobile industries. Information technology, electronics industry. Colonial rule. A powerful nations maintaining or extending its control over other countries. Agro-based industries. Industries that have agricultural products as raw materials are known as agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries. Mineral-based industries are the main industries that get their raw materials from mineral ores. Automobile industries. The automobile industry is the business of producing and selling vehicles. Information technology. The study or system for storing, retrieving and sending. Urbanization. The process by which large numbers of people become permanently concentrated in relatively small areas, forming cities. The necessities for setting up any industry are machines, electricity, minerals and ores, and infrastructural facilities like transport, communications, etc. Industries are an essential part of the nation's development. Indian industries have grown over the years, and the role of government initiative in promoting industries. India's main industrial activity for a long time was handicrafts, particularly textile goods. Under British colonial rule, India could not develop a sound industrial base. The general policy of the British government was not to develop modern industry in India, but to ensure that India provided a market for British goods. This led to the destruction of India's traditional craft industries and massive unemployment. After 1947, India began many initiatives to promote industrial activities in the country. Self-sufficiency is our need to make the country industrially developed. Industries need machines. Run these machines, all factories require a source of power, which is usually electricity. All industries need raw materials from which goods are produced. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw materials, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, and market. Industries are situated where some or all of these factories are easily available. Most of the industries are located in or near the cities. Thus, industrialization and urbanization go hand in hand. Agro-based industries. The industries which are based on agricultural products are called agro-based industries. Agro-based industries in general are those industries that have direct or indirect links with agriculture. It covers a variety of industrial manufacturing and processing activities based on agricultural, raw materials as well as activities and services that go as inputs to agriculture. Provide rural populations with employment opportunities. Help to develop backward areas based on their convenience for setting up agro industries. Prevent migration of people from rural to urban areas. To encourage balanced growth between agriculture and industry. Some examples of agro-based industries. Paper industry which uses wood for the production of paper. Vegetable oil industry which uses groundnut seeds, sunflower seeds. Tea and coffee industries that use tea leaves and coffee seeds. Mineral-based industries. Industries that uses minerals and metals as raw materials are called mineral-based industries. The minerals are widespread in the Indian subcontinent based on their geological structure. The mineral essential is predominantly in peninsular India. Iron and steel plants are also distributed in the same places where the minerals are located. Conventional energy resources of coal, petroleum and gas are also available in the same regions, which helps in the mineral-based localization of industries. Some examples of mineral-based industries in India: iron and steel industry, copper smelting industry, automobile industry. Automobile vehicles provide quick transport of goods and passengers. All the two-wheelers, three-wheelers and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. A big company from many countries started making cars in India because they saw that there are many workers here who can help make cars. They wanted to send the cars they make in India to other countries. Most of the automobile industries are located around Delhi, Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Indore. Information technology and electronic industry. Information technology refers to the use of computers, software and telecommunications equipment for the storage, retrieval and transmission of data. The electronic industry, on the other hand, is concerned with the design, development, and production of electronic devices such as televisions, smartphones, tablets, and computers. Conclusion: industrialization is an important component of economic growth. India's industrial expansion over the planned period presents a mixed picture.